Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily manage keyboard layouts on your Pocketbook Inkpad Color. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to Apps, and now go over to Settings. Here, go to Languages, and now go to Keyboard Layouts. As you guys can see, after we click it, here we have the free layouts that are available. The first one is English for me, but it may be different for you. Here you can also add another layout, for example, let's say French. And here we can also add a third layout, which is the last one, and it's gonna be Finnish. Now here what you can do is enable or disable the key shortcut preview if you need it, but I do not recommend it. So as you guys can see here, if we want to delete some, then we click on none. And that's how you can easily manage your keyboard layouts. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.